Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am gonna show you how to earn money by playing games. Nowadays many of us are pro gamers and obviously they always think how to earn by playing. So today this video is all about how to earn by playing just some simple games. Okay, so to earn by playing you must first of all go to the Play Store and download a simple app. The app is known as MPL. The full form is Mobile Premier League. Okay, I have already installed this app, so it is showing update and uninstall. Okay, so I will not update it now. So I'm gonna show you how to earn from this app. Okay, MPL. Okay, this type of interface shows when you open the app. Okay, now this is the app. Now I'm going to show how to play here and how to earn here. Okay, first of all, see, I have already 65 MPL tokens here and 17 rupees 17 cash here. Okay, so if we click on cash, then it shows that your winnings is rupees 17 and you can withdraw it from here. Okay, now see, to earn from this app you should verify your account with KYC, some PAN card or voter card or Aadhaar card to withdraw money. Okay, first of all, when you at the time of first withdrawal you may withdraw rupees 5 or rupees 10 without any KYC, but after the first withdrawal you have to make the KYC. So you can withdraw it by Paytm, and whenever you are logging into this app, make sure that you must log in with a mobile number which has a valid Paytm account. And if your phone number doesn't link with is not linked with the Paytm account, then you may use other person's phone number also. Okay, now how to play games. Now here are two options. One is tournaments and another one is battles. Now if you play battles, you may earn one token, and you may register to this battle at free of cost. And if you are daring enough, then you have to spend 3 tokens and you will win 5 tokens out of it. Now what is the use of these tokens? Now these tokens are used to take part in these tournaments. For example, see, to play this game Fruit Chop, you need to have 15 tokens. Okay, now here are the games running just now. Now this under this Fruit Chop, 2 games are running just now. So one entry fees is 30 tokens and another one's entry fees is 15 tokens. So if you want to get into this one, then you have to spend 15 tokens, and if you want to play this tournament, then you have to spend 30 tokens. And another one is also running now. This is, you may say, this is event type or something. Virat Kohli signed merchandise, MPL merchandise. You can win also if you rank to the first position. And this is the number of players online just now. Now in this category, there are 70 players, 750 players allotted, and 507 players are all online just now. Okay, in this category, 1500 players can be allotted, 686 players are online just now, and this tournament is gonna run from 10:09 to 11:09, and this one from 9:54 to 10:50. So just like this, there are so many games: Fruit Chop, Fruit Dirt, Runner Number One, Monster Truck, Run Out, Kite Up, Gem Rush, Space Breaker, and also some 20 games. Okay, in this one, Can Jump, Flip Star, Go Ride, Monster Truck, Maze Up, Build Up, Box Smash, Basketball, and etc. etc. So I recommend to play three or four games. Those are my favorite, but you may play any game. So my favorite games are Fruit Chop, Fruit Dirt, Kite Up, and Runner Number One. So these are at the front, because these are at the so I like these games and I play them often. So these are at the front. Okay, now battle. In case of battles, there the to battle goes on between one versus one player. That means if you join a battle, you may win one token and you will compete with another player. Okay, and in case of tournaments, you will compete with a group of players and you have to make a good rank to earn the cash. Okay. So enough of talking. I'm gonna show you some battle and tournament just now. Okay. So here 750, among 750 it's 725. Okay, pool. Okay, let's play a battle first. Okay, Fruit Dirt. Okay, Fruit Dirt, free power battle. You will win one token. At present my token number is 65 and my cash is 70. Okay, so let's start playing. Battle for free. Here free, remaining balance will be 65, current balance is 65. Play for free. Okay, now see, I have beaten his score. His score is 262 and mine is somewhat 300 something. So we won one token here. Okay, as you may see here, it is showing that we won one token here, and we don't want to find a new match here, so I cross it. So I will get a token here afterwards. Let's get back to tournaments, and so see here, if I here 750 players are required, 117 are already online and it costs 15 tokens. Okay, so I am showing you some fruit dart with these 15 tokens. Okay, so see here, rank 1 to 15 gets rupees 10, 16 to 45 8, 46 to 90 rupees 5, 91 to 180 rupees 3, 181 to 300 rupees 2. So let's see how much we can earn from here. Okay, now that's all for today. And if you have any doubt regarding whatever I taught you, how to earn money, how to redeem cash, then you can ask me in the comment box. And so goodbye friends, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends and subscribe my channel.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.